Alright, this video is just to show some of the deficiencies that I found. I was putting a Solatube on. I'm hoping that it was just in that area, but I'm thinking it's probably all the way down. So I'm going to break these seals. What I'm checking for is the nail pattern of this shingle right here. There should be a nail right here, and as you can see, there's not. That nail is exactly 3.5 inches from the edge. The other nail is 1.75 inches from the edge. They're supposed to be within 1 inch of this edge. So now we'll break this seal here. There should be a nail here and here, and there's not a nail here. They blew through the nail here. There's no nail here. So yeah, I would say that it's the entire roof is nailed incorrectly. Look how close that nail is to the bond line. Again, they blew through that nail. They don't have a nail here at all until you get way back here. So this nail from the edge is 12 inches, and there's no nail there. I would suggest getting this roofer back up on this roof and re-nail the entire thing, or give them a new roof. It's your fault for going too fast or hiring a crew that doesn't know what they're doing. Completely just terrible workmanship, terrible labor on this job site. Let's see what they did. Bet you they cheated around here. This shingle here should be cut all the way around, but I could see that there's a divot here. So I almost guarantee, yeah, look at that. They put a straight shingle there. There's nothing underneath. Nails, I don't know if you can see that. There's nothing underneath. This shingle is supposed to be cut around this, like that, like what I did up there. Let's see, all the scuff marks on the roof. Ladies and gentlemen, your roofer should take this all the way to the edge, even though the cut's not at the edge. Let's just see what this looks like. We're just randoing areas. No nail. Again, this is the other side of the roof. Tells me this entire roof is done this way. It's a shame. Another one. This shingle should have been cut around here with a rain slot, but they don't have it. That unbelievable.